Hi. In today's video I will show you possible fixes for Steam API error that you could getting when launching your Steam games. As first thing I will suggest you is to restart your computer to see if that will fix your issue. And if not, come back here, hit that like button while I come back, so we can move on with few possible fixes for your Steam API error. Okay. If restart did not solve your issue, next thing we could check is that your Windows firewall is not blocking your Steam. If you using third-party firewall or antivirus software, the fastest way is to temporarily disable it, and then run your game to see if that was cause of your problems. If you don't use any third-party softwares, you can go to your Windows firewall to check is it blocked there. To open Windows Firewall, go to Start, right-click on it, and select Search. In search bar, type Windows Firewall, and you will select this option here. So you get a window like these opened. Now you need to click on this option, Allow an app or feature Trough Windows Defender Firewall. If you have troubles finding this, left-click on Start, and select Settings. Now click on Update and Security. And then on the left side click on Windows Security. Select Firewall and Network Protection. And here you will see option, Allow an app Trough Firewall, so click on it. On the left side, you will find Steam, and the game you are trying to launch. And make sure that this both boxes under private and public are checked, next to the Steam and the game. To make any changes here, first you need to click here on Change Settings. And now you can check this boxes. When you are done, your Steam and game are not being blocked by your firewall. And now you can launch the game to see if this resolved Steam API error. If not, we will try second method. You will need to close your Steam completely. Now go to your Steam icon, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. On this user account control window, click Yes, and when your Steam is on, launch the game you want, and see if this fixed your issue. If it did, right-click on your Steam shortcut icon, and select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab, and check this box, Run this program as an administrator. Now click on Apply and OK. Now every time you launch your Steam, you will be launching it as an administrator. Last thing you can try is to launch your Steam and go to your library. On the left side, find the game you want to play. Right-click on it, and select Properties. Click on Local Files. And here click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Your game files will now be scanned for any issues, like missing or corrupted files, and if any, it will replace them with original files. Wait until the end of scan, and then try to launch your game, and hopefully your game will be able to launch with no problems. And with this, we came to the end of this video. I hope that you managed to resolve your Steam API error with one of these methods. If you did, please hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next easy way tutorial. Bye.